Just in multiple 2021 Kenworth T680s with 76-inch raised roof sleepers. This truck is equipped with a diesel-powered Carrier APU for less idle time and extra comfort during your long downtime. Powered by the fuel-efficient PACCAR MX-13 engine with 455 horsepower and a 12-speed Endurant transmission for smooth shifting. Spec with a 231-inch wheelbase, 279 ratio, air slide fifth wheel, and a scale weight of only 16,741 pounds. As you climb inside, you will be met with your dual air ride seats, double bunk, a table for paperwork or eating, dual sleeper windows, and an inverter with lots of outlets. If you are looking for a loaded Kenworth T680 or any other truck, give American Motors a call today.